Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Grabie unboxing to show you. I got this in the mail yesterday and I'm super excited to open it. I haven't even cut the little sticker. So this is a monthly subscription box that you can go month to month with, or you can buy a subscription like 3, 6, 12 months. And this one specializes in scrapbooking, junk journaling supplies, and they really make very comprehensive boxes each month. They put a lot of thought into them. And this one is obviously devoted to household pets, animals, and stuff like that. They call it My Furry Family. And what you get inside is a 200 plus page book full of stickers, papers, and activities. And then in the subscription box, you get all these extras. So this month we got some inks, a nail sticker set, a stamp, a border sticker set, and a little paper and envelope pack. So you can actually purchase the book all by itself without getting a subscription. You can buy one-off boxes. The choice is yours. And I've never actually opened a box devoted to furry family pets. I am a big cat and dog lover, and I actually open every month on my channel. One of the few subscription boxes besides Grabie is Cat Lady box. So actually my cat Levi is probably more popular than me. I usually try to have Levi in all my Cat Lady box videos, so I'm pretty excited to see what this one has to offer. And what I can offer everybody is a 15% discount code, Lisa15. I'll give the details down below. And I also want to thank Grabie for sending me this box, because they do send me this box monthly for my review, and I really appreciate it. You have no idea. So let's look at everything. The first thing on top is the stamp, the wooden stamp. And I love stamping in my junk journals. And this one is a little calendar. It starts with Monday, which is fine with me, but like here in the United States, the week starts on Sunday, but it is quite all right. I'm not going to complain. So it's Monday through Sunday. It's like a little habit tracker. Very cute. And I should stamp it with the inks. I really should. Let me open up these inks. We got a blue and a brown color. And Grabie has put in inks before in their boxes. And I've always loved the quality of the inks. They've never disappointed me. And for everyday inking and stamping, they're really good. I can't remember if this is good if you mix it with water. Probably not. It probably will run. It's probably not water soluble. But for regular stamping, if you don't like mix watercolors with them, this is probably really good. Let me grab a piece of paper and I will be right back, and we'll do some stamping real quick so I can show you how this stamp looks and the two color inks. Okay, I am back. Grab my Small Victories coloring book. Who likes adult coloring? I just started this book. I love it. I know I'm digressing away, but this is all I've done in it. And the cover page. All right, let's get to the stamping. Here's a piece of scrapbook paper. Let's see what these stamps can do. Okay, I already messed it up a little bit. I'm not the cleanest stamper. It's kind of hard to avoid. This is really a pretty blue color. Let's see how it looks on the paper. Ah, very nice. Very nice. My sloppy stamping didn't go anywhere. I actually have a baby wipe right here. Let me clean it up. And we'll try the brown color. I love stamps. I've said that before. But I like habit trackers because, you know, you can track whatever habit you want. You can track silly things like the days I gave my cat treats, or just like more serious things like the days I worked out. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. And they gave complimentary colors. Very pretty. Grabie, you did good. You did good. I like the stamp a lot. And I really appreciate a wooden stamp. Not that I don't like, you know, the ones you put on a plastic block, you know. But this is just so handy to grab, stamp, grab, stamp. You don't have to put the clingy stamp on a block. Okay, so that's the first 3 things in the box that you get with the subscription. You get the 2 stamps and the really cute stamp. They did good. Good. All right, what else do we got? I actually have a really small space that I work from at my desk. It's in a shared office. All right, here we go. We got 2, looks like 2 little paper pads. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see what kind of paper we have to play with. Okay. Oh, these are stickers. These are definitely stickers. So you can put them anywhere you want. Stick them anywhere you want. Stick them in your journal. Stick them on a bag, on a lunch bag, on a mirror. Very nice. And they're very playful. This is very springy. I like it. Like it a lot. So here's stickers, and this is more stickers with the very fun, colorful, playful theme. So it really coordinates very well with this sticker pack. Love it. And I think what this is, there it is. It's like a border. They say it's border stickers. So you're going to have an inner and outer part. So when you stick it back, it looks like a kind of like a picture frame. Let me see really quick. Because this part right here is a punch out, just like that. So the possibilities are numerous to use this as a border, and then use the inside piece that's left over for something else. So that's really nice. I don't think I have much of that, to tell you the truth. Okay, what else we got? Now this is nail art, which is nice. Playful puppy nail art. I don't really use nail art. I don't think I'm going to use it on my nails. And my nails are kind of like in transition. Some of them broke. I cut some. I need to cut others. I'm just going to cut them all to size. But sometimes I really have the perfect nails for nail art. I just don't use it. So I'll gift this to someone who uses nail art. But it's, you know, it's different. And then we got a stationery set. I used to open Zen Pop box, and they actually still do stationery boxes. It's from Japan. This looks very much like stationery we used to get in Zen Pop box, with the papers and the coordinating envelopes. And I really like this because it's cat themed. So you're going to get 3 envelopes and looks like 6 pieces of stationery. Yeah. 6 pieces of stationery. It's very nice. Very muted. And you can use this for letter writing. You can make even a journal out of this. Very pretty. And then we got our Grabie sticker. And here is the book. I'm going to move this off the table. So here is the collage book. It says 200 pages of paper and sticker goodies. And it also comes on the last page a collectible bookmark. This month it looks like a paw, an animal paw print. It's one of those magnetic bookmarks. It's very cute. And you just put it on your paper to save your page, you know, placeholder. And here we go. Always has this book belongs to, and they've broken it up into 3 chapters, and it is a mixture of stickers, papers, very nice illustrations, and even vellum paper. Wow. So they've really thought about the artwork to use this month. And it's perforated. You just take it off at the edge. There's a perforated edge right there. This is really nice. So you're definitely going to have to make a choice sometimes, depending how you, if you paste it down on the paper, which side you want to use. But not necessarily, because you could actually do a journal where you glue a page onto a small short piece of paper, and that way you can have both sides. Okay, I'm not sure about the fur. Usually fur is not something I like on me, but they have a bunch of pages of fur. Oh my goodness, I thought that was a real piece of paper, a real like Post-it note. Wow. Yeah, I would definitely use these pages, the writing side, That is very cute. Very cute. This one seems to fold out. No. Here's where we have our cutouts. Okay, and we got the earpieces. And now we have, this is more my style, a bunch of stickers of cute kitty cats. Love it. Aw, it's cute. All these pages are very, 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 very thoughtful. And these are stickers. More stickers. They are perforated, see? So you don't have to do any cutting, which is really nice. Stickers of doggies. You can make a lot of nice greeting cards out of this. This is a whole sticker sheet, I can tell right now. This whole sheet is going to peel back like this. See? Oh, wait a second. These are individual stickers. Okay. Aww. This one looks closest to Levi, my cat. And here's the other chapter. They call it My Colorful World. And these are just plain pieces of paper. So you do have to make a decision on most of them, which side you want to use. These are stickers. More sticker sheets. They've got a ton of stickers this month. Really, 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 really cute. Wow. I can imagine it takes months and months and months. This is paper to put together a book like this. I mean, this is no small feat. This is why I always appreciate Grabie. I feel like they give you the most bang for your buck. And I love the themes. I can't wait till next month's theme. It's going to be steampunk, like steampunk journal, if you wanted to make one of those. This book here, to me, is just very playful. If I had little kids or if I had grandchildren, I would be like, here, take this book and go to town. Create your own little sticker book, junk journal. Just have a lot of fun with this. So I am going to save this because one day I will have grandchildren. Oh, you can teach them the alphabet. You can teach them the alphabet with the dog alphabet. Aw. See that? That's really cute. Oh, these I might have to use before any future grandchild of mine gets their hands on them. These are so cute. Ah, these are cutouts. Love it. Even the flowers are little cutouts. More cutouts. Oh, I love these. I should make a cat journal and just put photos of all the cats I've ever had in my life in there. The good stories and even the tragic stories of my cats over the years. More cutouts with the dogs. I can even make one on dogs. Oh my, you have no idea the stories I have about dogs from my childhood. This is like little washi tapes. Oh, I like that. These are sticker tabs. And they match the little cards that we got, the little sticker cards. Bunch of papers. The alphabet on sticker paper. More alphabet. Numbers and symbols and stuff. And here's the vellum. I just did a junk journal and I used vellum as background papers, and it just came out so pretty. Oh, this is so cute. You paired that vellum with this paper. Look at that. And then here's the last part of the book. Our shared canvas. All us cat lovers and owners know about that. I just recently brought my cat to the vet. $700 vet bill. It was crazy. She got injured. And of course, I'm going to take care of my baby. These are all stickers. But he's fine. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. They've never had a cutout like that. That looks like the little Pokey Puppy, the childhood book. Stickers for all the dogs. I grew up with Weimaraner dogs. Weimaraners. Oh, that's pretty. That would make a really pretty middle of a signature. Love it. Love, love. More stickers. Stickers. If you're still here, let me know if you're still here watching the video. I do like to show every page. Oh, I love this. There's stickers. A little message. And these are little cards. Happy birthday cards. Punch outs. Just like so. Oh. And then we get some papers. Papers. And that's the end of the book. If you collect 6 bookmarks, you're going to get a $20 Grabie gift card. And if you collect all 12 bookmarks, you get a special surprise. You just send in a photo of your collection. And Grabie will take care of it. So that's my furry family. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. The stamp came out lovely. And those are the 2 colors that they provided. Here's a little bookmark we got. The stationery set, which is really sweet looking. The nail art. And all these little border stickers. Very spring, colorful looking. The stamp. And, oops, the 2 colors. So, Lisa 15 will get you 15% off. I'll leave all the links down in the description box. And I thank you for joining me today. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. Take care all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.